Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0326 refers to a malfunction in the knock sensor located within the Honda Fit models of 2015 to 2020. The knock sensor plays a crucial role by monitoring engine vibrations caused by knocking or pinging, which can affect engine performance and efficiency. It also communicates with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, allowing the engine to adjust ignition timing to prevent damage. The knock sensor is typically located on the engine block, often near the cylinders for optimal performance measurement. When it malfunctions, it can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential engine damage. Therefore, understanding this diagnostic trouble code is essential for maintaining the health of your vehicle's engine. The error P0326 is specific to the knock sensor malfunction in the Honda Fit. The knock sensor's role is pivotal. It detects vibrations from engine knocking, which occurs when fuel ignites prematurely. If this sensor fails, it signals improper data to the PCM, disrupting engine performance. The PCM depends on this data for adjusting fuel and ignition timing, crucial for maintaining efficiency and preventing engine damage. Typically, the knock sensor is situated on the engine block, strategically placed to accurately gauge vibrations. An improper reading can lead to timing adjustments that negatively impact performance, necessitating immediate troubleshooting. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P0326. One of the primary concerns is a faulty knock sensor that may no longer accurately detect engine vibrations. Another significant factor is improper installation of the knock sensor. If it is not correctly positioned or secured, it can fail to deliver accurate readings to the PCM. Additionally, poor wiring or connections to the sensor can disrupt its functionality. These problems can create intermittent failures, causing erratic performance and signaling the necessity for a thorough check of connections and the sensor itself. Identifying these causes is essential to resolving the issue effectively. Symptoms associated with the P0326 error code can include the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as an early warning of potential engine issues. Drivers may also notice engine performance problems, such as reduced power or hesitation during acceleration when the knock sensor malfunctions. Additionally, the vehicle may experience increased fuel consumption as the PCM struggles to optimize engine settings without accurate data from the sensor. Understanding these symptoms can help in promptly addressing safety and efficiency concerns related to engine performance. It's critical to become alert to any performance changes and to act quickly to avoid further complications. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0326 involves verifying the problem with the vehicle. This includes turning the ignition to the on position and then clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to reset any previously stored errors. Following this, the vehicle should be turned off and then restarted. To stress test the engine, hold the engine speed at 1,850 RPM or more without load, either in park or neutral, for at least 5 seconds. After this, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. If the P0326 code persists, it confirms the malfunction and directs the technician to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The next step in troubleshooting DTC P0326 focuses on the installation of the knock sensor itself. It's crucial to verify that the knock sensor is installed correctly. A mistake in this step can lead to ongoing issues. If the sensor installation is found to be proper, then it should be replaced as the next logical step. This ensures that any malfunctioning components are addressed directly. Conversely, if the installation is incorrect, it must be reinstalled correctly to ensure proper function. thorough checking of this points towards an effective resolution and aids in preventing future disruptions. Final repair verification is crucial to confirm that the DTC P0326 has been successfully resolved. After completing the necessary repairs and installations, recheck the DTC using the HDS to confirm that the error no longer appears. It is also vital to ensure that all components, especially the knock sensor, are installed correctly to prevent future issues. A test drive should be conducted to monitor the vehicle's behavior, ensuring that performance has returned to normal without any warning lights illuminated. This thorough approach not only checks for immediate resolution, but also contributes to the long-term reliability of the engine's functionality. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0326. Regularly checking the knock sensor and its connections can help identify problems before they escalate into larger issues. It is also advisable to inspect the wiring and terminal connections periodically, ensuring they remain secure and free from corrosion or damage. Maintaining engine health through routine servicing, including oil changes and performance checks, also contributes to minimizing the risk of sensor failure. These proactive measures can prolong the life of your Honda Fit and ensure optimal engine performance over time. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0326 is vital for Honda Fit owners between 2015 and 2020. Recognizing the symptoms associated with a malfunctioning knock sensor helps in early diagnosis and repair. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures an effective and thorough approach to rectifying the issue. Equally important is the adoption of preventive measures that can help maintain engine health and prevent future occurrences of similar errors. By staying vigilant and proactive, drivers can ensure their vehicles perform efficiently and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.